Say, you guys want supper? Well, here you go. Up, here they come. Well, folks, it's supper time around Wocats, and we got some neighborhood cats that come in here, and there goes Cinder. Go eat, Cinder. That's a boy. And they come here to get some nice supper. Tanya, how about you? Connor. Yeah, go eat. He's tired. That's the way it is around here. We feed them, it keeps the peace in the neighborhood. It really does. Come on, Connor, go eat. Go ahead, Connor. I see you sneaking in there. Atta boy. We have some more inside anyway. Oh yeah, we got a Philly outside tray, it looks like, huh? Yeah. Why aren't you eating, Deja? Go ahead, Connor. Atta boy. He is just a tiny bit a little shy than all of them, yeah. He'll come around, though. They were born here, they were young kittens. It seems over the last 3 years we always get young kittens here. We have 3 of our own and they come in to visit. And so we get quite a crew here, but it does keep the peace in the neighborhood. Keeps them out of, like, garbage cans. You guys are really cleaning the plate. Yes, folks, it is nice to help outside cats. And with the winter coming up here, it's a real good idea. Well, that's it for today, folks. Feeding the cats. And guess what? It's time for me to go in. Tanya, you want to go in? Let's go in. See you next time.